What is going on, everyone? It's Ultimate Spy 53 here, and welcome to another episode of Ultimate Ride Coaster Deluxe Ride Showcase number 44. And today I'm going to be showing you the ride Expedition Blizzard. Okay, so this is Expedition Blizzard. So I think this is a pretty cool ride, honestly. It's nice and short. Let me know if you guys want me to make shorter rides or longer rides or what. But basically how I describe this is it's fast-ish, and also very, smooth and short, and it was a pretty fun ride to make. Honestly, it's a lot of crazy things. And as for the props, I really couldn't do anything about it because the fact that, like, I did the windmills and stuff. I tried my best to make that, like, a couple of those things happen, but the creature that you see in the top, couldn't find it. I tried every creature that is in the game that was possible, and none of them fit on the thing because they're so big. I just collision. I probably wanted to have this ride station on the actual mountain, so unfortunately I couldn't actually put the creature on the, like, in front of the ride. But I like I said, it's not always going to happen. Not everything is going to be the way it is, but still, I really do appreciate that. If you send me stuff for rides, I really appreciate it, especially for the naming of the ride. I can't really think of ride names, so if you gave me ride names, really helps with the series, and I really like it. So anyway, yeah, enough of my banter. I hope you enjoy the ride. Sit back, relax, and let's go. Alright, so that was Expedition Blizzard. I think it's pretty cool, honestly. I really enjoyed making it. So yeah, I can't really say anything more. One thing though about this series that I might end it pretty soon. I don't know if I'll end at 50 episodes or 100. It might be 50. I don't know. I'm just getting tired of making coasters. It's fun, but there's only so much you can do with this game. That's pretty much why I'm thinking of ending it. I'm not sure when I'm gonna end it. It might be 50 episodes. It might be. I don't know, but it's simply because of how much limitations I have in the game, and it's just like it's getting kind of tiring and boring, and there's not much I can do really. But still, I hope I can try to keep more rides coming. I don't know. The reason why I hadn't made a ride in about a week, I skipped last week's episode, is because I wasn't in the mood to do it, and I didn't really get around to it. I was tired, and it's been hectic and stuff. So, but I'm still happy I was able to get the ride out, and it's still pretty cool, honestly. I like the ride. It's fun, but for now, I think I'm just gonna keep making rides as much as I can. It might, I don't know. Like, I don't know what's gonna happen. What's gonna be the future of this series, but hopefully I can still make it. Hopefully I will figure out something. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Ride Showcase. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button. I really do appreciate support. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe for more rides like this. and other great content, as well as other series that I do. And I'll be back next time with another episode. Alright? See ya.